kind of here. Some guy decided to be really nice and kind of hit me with a little bit of a ding today. So I'm going to show you how to take this out. I'm going to be using a DA to buff this out, and I'm going to put some ceramic over it, just like the rest of the car. Hopefully I can just give it a quick wash afterwards. But you can kind of see there the scope of what we're talking about. And if you back up, you'll see that it's not really noticeable at a distance. It just looks like some bird poop or something, but obviously as a perfectionist, it's going to be pretty annoying. So I'll show you my process here in a little bit. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to tape off the area, and then I'm going to clean it up a little bit before I start buffing. There you go. You can kind of see it a little bit more detail here now that I've got my light on it. You can see there. Looks pretty deep. We'll see if we can get this out. What I'm going to use first is just some chemical, guys. It's a ceramic, quick detailer. Just give it a quick rinse here. Alrighty, now that that's done, you can see there the problem area right here. I'm gonna go ahead and use my dual action. I'm gonna be using some ultimate compound here with a yellow pad, as you can see there, to kind of start digging into this problem. Austin? What are you doing? This is about a minute after doing the just a yellow pad with the ultimate compound. You can see the scratch is already mostly gone. I'm going to go ahead and wipe this down and then get ready for step 2. Next up, I'm going to be using Megaware's Ultimate Polish. A little bit of a more finer step than the cutting compound, and then I'm going to be using a white pad on my DA. I know that doesn't look very white, but I promise you this is a little bit finer than this, for example, which is definitely like more coarse. You can definitely see it there a little bit. And this is pre-step, so I'll show you guys after. for step 2, the polish and the white pad here on the DA. You can see that that scratch was pretty deep. I even scratched and you could hear the noise. Look at that paint. And for the last step, since I've already actually coated my entire car with a little bit of the ceramic hyper wax after doing this detail on the entire car, I'm gonna just put a little bit of this hyper wax back. Just gonna use the same white pad that you guys see here. Is the last step. So you can see I'll do a second lap here so I can get this in focus. To kind of show you guys, but you can kind of see there's no more scratch. Back up a little bit. I'm looking at the entire context of the car. Turn the light off there. You can see that you no longer see that white speck on the car. And that's all, folks. That's how to get rid of any scratches on your car using a DA.